It's the Beginner Locksmith, and this is YouTube's University's Automotive Locksmith course, Introduction to the H60 FO26 Keyway. Lesson number 1, H60 key blocks explained. So for this keyway, I'm going to go through some of its key names and features. Right, these are some of the cars it does. And right now we're focused on the H60. Key line names are H54, Ilco, Jet, all from different manufacturers. Right, I have an Ilco key right here as an example. H60. It's an edge cut key. Two-sided key. There's the tip. Right where my finger's pointing. The bow. And then I guess that would be the groove right there. And these keys are typically 8 to 10 cuts. The least you get 6 cuts, and it's 5 depths. As you can see right there, 5 depths. And you can also figure that out by looking at the leash. There's the 5 depths on the side. Right. Anyway, guys, it's just a short video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.